Having trouble with Hey Siri on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Many users, around 15 to 20%, face this issue, often linked to microphone glitches, incorrect language settings, or permission problems. This section will quickly guide you through the core areas to check to restore Siri's responsiveness. Start by verifying your microphone functionality, ensuring your language settings are correct in the Siri settings, and confirming that Siri has the necessary permissions in your privacy settings. These are the primary areas to investigate when Hey Siri fails to activate. If these are all enabled, move on to the next part of the video. First, reset your AirPods via Bluetooth settings to clear any connection issues. Next, double-check that Listen for Hey Siri is enabled in Settings, Siri and Search, and ensure your device's region is correct. Grant microphone permissions to Siri under Privacy and Security settings. For microphone issues, ensure your AirPods are properly seated and clean any debris from the grills. If problems persist, use Apple's diagnostics mode via Siri commands to test microphone health. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your AirPods. Finally, update your iOS to the latest version, as iOS 18.3 includes diagnostics to fix microphone-related issues.